Hi everyone, welcome to Velours Designs. Today we're going to be working on this no carve pumpkin with jute twine, and if you're interested in a video like this, please keep on watching. So the things I got for this project were a plastic pumpkin and some jute twine in 2mm and a glue gun, and of course glue sticks. You could, of course, use a real pumpkin for this project. I just decided I might want to hang on to this after this season is done, so I did it on a plastic pumpkin. The project is really pretty simple. I just followed along with the twine after placing glue around in the circle. Once you get to the grooves in the pumpkin, you want to make sure you're pressing it down into the grooves, but that's pretty much it. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Share it with your friends, give it a like if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more videos in the future with different crafts and flowers, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!